We're launching a new product. So let me show you how to access GFG Connect. Connect with, say, an expert and you want to be a part of a community. This is the place you go to. कितना actively part लिया है, कितने questions solve किए हैं, किस level के questions solve किए हैं, all of that you can check right here on your profile. We have mock interviews, resume review, career guidance, salary negotiation, coding, tutoring, personal branding, and this is just some of it. So that's how it's going to seem like, and that's how easy it is to connect with experts in your dream company. Hi guys, we have something extremely exciting for you. We're launching a new product जिसका आप भी काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे. I remember shooting a lot of podcasts जिसमें आपने कहा था you would appreciate it अगर आप directly experts से connect कर पाएं, and we have a platform just for that. So let me show you how to access GFG Connect and how to connect with an expert, and I'll give you all the overview about the entire platform. So let's go. So सबसे पहले the first step is simply GFG Connect type करना Google में and going on to the first site that comes on, which is Connect, right? Now अब हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि we need to log in. You can log in with your Google, you can log in with any account. I'm gonna log in with my Google, it's already logged in. यहाँ पे I'll get multiple options if I can see. It's my profile, courses, leaderboard, community, transaction history, saved videos, all of that, and I can edit my profile. So I'm just gonna show you what the main platform is, which is basically हमारा explore community. Now that we're here, we're gonna see multiple tabs in here also. So this entire portion is called home. Here you can talk directly with the community. You can share your thoughts, you can write an article, you can maybe ask a question, and maybe you can also answer the questions. You can find a lot of people here who are asking multiple questions or sharing their interview insights. You can talk about anything at all that you want, and this is the place for it. So if you don't want to connect with, say, an expert and you want to be a part of a community, this is the place you go to. Share your thoughts, reply to other people, and this is where you'll find your crowd. Now moving on, if we go on to experts. Now before we go on there to the main selling point, let me tell you a little bit about your profile. You can see your account balance right here. You can see how many people follow you and how many people you're following. All of this is right there on the right hand side. You can see all of this. You can actually click on it and find out who's following you, who are you following, similar to a lot of social media apps nowadays. But here's something that I wanted to show. आप अपनी activity यहाँ पे check कर सकते हैं, which basically means कि आपने कितना actively part लिया है, कितने questions solve किए हैं, किस level के questions solve किए हैं, all of that you can check right here on your profile. Now hopefully your profile looks better than this. Hopefully it's more filled than maybe an empty sheet, but this is where you can check it, and you can, again, you can see problem breakdowns also. You can see if it's school level, basic, easy, medium, or hard. So that's enough about your profile. You can go see the contributions you've made. I've written some posts, some articles, so I can go and check all of them out right here. So say now I go back to my main page, right? Yahan pe I can see another page which is experts. Now if I go into experts right here, what I'm going to see is people working in different positions, different companies. I can find their experiences, I can find their briefs. Right here I can see, say this is the person, they have 2+ years of experience, they work at GFG, and that's their role and that's their name. So that's how you're going to get a dissection. You can go and learn more about them. You can view their profile. Now यहाँ पे अगर हम focus करें, so we see a green line around the name. That means that person's online right now. So you want to connect with somebody who's maybe not online right now, you're going to get something similar to this, which is notify me. So the moment they come online, you're going to get a notification. So that's the kind of thing. Now here you're going to find all kinds of rates, all kinds of money. Some people are charging something. A lot of people are also connecting with you for 0 rupees per minute. You can connect with them for free. So you can see all of that. Now हम आते हैं अब important point पे, which is top offerings क्या है इसकी. So if we can look right here, we have mock interviews, resume review, career guidance, salary negotiation, coding, tutoring, personal branding, and this is just some of it. I can also go on view all, I can see all of it. A cool feature that I have right here is sort and filters. Say what I want is mock interviews. I'll just simply click on mock interviews, and it's going to show me all the people out there who are offering mock interviews. If I just want resume review, I can click on it and I can find people who are offering resume review. Now say I want to connect with an expert. So how does that go? So let me show you. It goes in a way where you first click on connect, right? And suppose this is the person I want to connect with. I'm going to get my mic and camera. I'm going to turn my camera off right now, but it looks something like that of sorts. I'm going to keep my mic on. And I'm going to click on next. Now I can leave a short message about what I want to connect with them with. I can skip this part also, but it's better to leave a note. So say I'm just talking about nonce, which is just random. And I connect with the expert. Now it's just going to show me a loading screen, something similar to this. If I'm not logged in, this is the part it'll ask me to log in. And here we have our expert right here. So that's how it's going to seem like. And that's how easy it is to connect with experts in your dream company. That is GFG Connect. So we'll see you here. And no doubt, we'll go unanswered. See you later.